Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying DX12 error from Marvel Rivals for the PC. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. First, you go into search, you type in run, you press enter, you type in DXDIAG, press enter. And this from here, if you scroll down, you can see at the bottom here DirectX version. You can see what version of DirectX that you are running. If it is not DirectX 12, then you need to install DirectX 12. I'm going to put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to a page that looks like this. You want to select the language, select download, then reinstall it, and then reboot your computer to see if that fixes your issue. If they did not fix the issue, well, I recommend, if you're not running Marvel Rivals from Steam, I recommend you try doing that. You can do that even if you do not install it on Steam. You can press add game, add a non-Steam game. You can find Marvel Rivals from the list, add it to Steam. You can launch it from Steam, but after you have done that, you can right click on it, click on properties. I would recommend you turning off the Steam overlay while in game. This does tend to mess up the game. And if it is still not working, I would recommend typing -DX11 to force this game to start in DirectX 11. This is not a perfect solution, but it is a short-term solution. Okay, if you haven't done so already, I would also recommend you to download the NVIDIA app and go to the drivers and install the newest graphics drivers just to be safe. Why not? And if all of that has failed, then I would recommend uninstalling the game, reinstalling DirectX 12 from the URL I gave you earlier, and then rebooting your computer, and then seeing if that fixes the issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.